So, photography adds so much value to our lives by recording special events, people, or places, as well as helping us learn and grow as people, right? Today, we are going to talk about some of the most interesting facts from the history of photography. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. So let's start. The first very fact is that do you know who have the largest camera collection in the world? Let me tell you. The largest camera collection consists of 4,425 cameras. Dilesh Parekh, a photojournalist from Mumbai, has the largest camera collection ever. He owns 4,425 antique cameras. Wow. Okay, the next question. When was the first color photograph taken? You don't know? Let me tell you. In 1861, Thomas Sutton suggested the process to create the world's first color image. The result of layering 3 separate images of red, green and blue, that's RGB filters, right? These were then projected onto a photosensitive plate with the corresponding filters. That's how the first color photograph was made. Sutton was a great photographer and inventor also. Around the same time as the color photograph was taken, he also created the first SLR camera. Yeah, and he was also the one who developed the earliest panoramic camera with a wide-angle lens in 1859. The photography world owes a lot to him. Seriously. Okay, the third fact, the world's most expensive photograph sold for $4.3 million. Seriously, man. $4.3 million? Let me tell you this story. In 1999, Andreas Gursky captured the world's most expensive photo. In 2011, 12 years later, it sold for an incredible $4.3 million at auction, and it is still the most expensive photo. Let's move on to another fact. Did you know the oldest surviving image is almost 200 years old? I mean, wow. Not only was it taken almost 200 years ago, but it took 8 hours to capture it. The photo was taken by Joseph Niepce and was named View from the Window. The scene took place in France. The photo shows the surrounding castle and other buildings. A lot of work went into this photo, and we are lucky it survived. Let's move on to another fact. The most viewed photograph in history. Do you know this? Maybe not. Let me tell you. The most viewed photograph is the default wallpaper for Windows XP. I think you know this. The image named Bliss, captured by Charles O'Rear in 1996. He didn't make as much money as you would imagine, but Microsoft bought the image from stock website Corbis. That's mind blown. Everybody has seen this picture and everybody knows what it is. Well, let's move on to another fact. Apparently the left side of our faces looks better in photos than the right side. Yeah, a study considered by Kelsey Blackburn, I think, and James Shrillo from Wake Forest University confirms this. Their study shows that the left side of our face exhibits a greater intensity of emotion. Because of this, we perceive it as being more attractive. Again, the next fact. Why people never smiled in old photos? Let me tell you. Old photographs were taken with huge large format cameras because the technology wasn't as advanced. An image would take hours to expose correctly. The subjects didn't smile because they had to stay still for hours for one photo. Taking a photo often involved the use of a head brace for support. So understandably, smiling for hours was an impossible feat. Okay, so the next fact, I think this will be the last fact I'm telling you. The word photography comes from the Greek meaning to draw with light. The earliest known use of the word photograph, as we know, it was in 1839 by the astronomer Sir John Herschel. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update, and also hit like. And if any of this fact I told you is wrong, please tell me. And also, if you know more facts, please tell us in the comments below. Thank you so much. My name is Kapil Batra, signing off.